Welcome to another episode of TraderSmith with pre-bell opening, and we'll start the session after 1 or 2 minutes. So we'll wait for 2 minutes for some more people. Okay, so I think I should start the session. So before that, this is the disclaimer from our side. The content in this presentation podcast should not be considered as recommendation to buy or sell securities. All information is intended for educational purpose only and in no way should be considered investment advice. So here are the key news. US future market traders flat ahead of FOMC minutes, that is Federal Open Market Committee. Actually, they are expecting like 50 basis points of hike in some more meetings that they will do. So because of that, there is some volatility and the people are not so aggressive in the market. Then the next is Brent crude traded flat at $114 per barrel. Dollar index slightly corrected and currently trading at $102. Then Vodafone Idea Limited, the government has proposed to acquire 33.4% stake in telecom operator. Then these are the results. Apollo Hospital Q4 net profit falls 46% to 90 CR and revenue rose 24% to 3,546 crores. BPCL reported Q4 earnings. Net profit declined 82% to rupees 2,130 crores and revenue from operation rose 25% to 1.23 lakh crores. Nalco revenue increased 53.8% YOY, EBITDA increased 71.5%, and EBITDA margin expands 32.7%. PAT was up 9.6%. Then this revenue increased by 22.5% of Coal India, and EBITDA increased 42.3%. EBITDA margin expand 27.8%. PAT increased by 46.3%. Then the results to be announced like Kolpal, Hindalco, Bajar Paints, BDL, and the Cummings. So these are the top major markets that has closed. US market has closed positive yesterday. Nasdaq 1.51% up. Dow was 0.6% and S&P was 0.95% up. European market index has closed 0.60% up. FTSE 0.51% up. CAC 0.73% up. Indian market has the closed negativity, closed on negative note yesterday by 0.62% down. And Asian market, all the Asian market has closed almost positive except Hang Seng. So these are the things. Now we'll talk about derivatives data. So Nifty 50, it is stand by 0.62%. Maximum call option open interest buildup was seen at 16,500, which amounts to 1.93 lakh, and then next is 16,200, which amounts to 1.91 lakh. Maximum put open interest was seen 15,500, which amounts to 1.44 lakh, and then next was 16,000, which amounts to 1.30 lakhs. Then Bank Nifty PCR stand at 0.62%. Maximum call open interest buildup was seen around 35,000, which amounts to 114.24 thousand. And then next is 36,000, which amounts to 102.01 thousands. Maximum put open interest for the bank is seen around 34,000, which amounts to 92,000, and then it is 33,000, which amounts to 82.62 thousands. So then we will talk about Nifty. So this is the chart of Nifty daily chart, and we have seen from the last 3 days the index is actually facing a strong resistance around 16,400 levels. The moment it has hit the high at 16,414, the index has actually faced the selling pressure and for profit booking. And in this week, continuously from past 3 days, that is from Monday to Wednesday, the index has witnessed profit booking, and it has moved downside. So 16,400 is clearly acting as a resistance. And once this resistance is passed or surpassed from this index, then we can expect some more positivity. But as of now, the index is having support around 16,000 level. Yesterday also it has hit the low around 16,078, 16,006, and day before yesterday it has hit the low at 16,078. So index is having support around 16,000 level. Once this support is big, then again we can expect some more negativity. And if the Sunday, if 16,000 level is acting as a support, then we can expect some bounce back from this level, and again it can move in the range of 16,000 to 16,400. So this is about Nifty 50, and this is about Nifty Bank. So this is the daily chart of Nifty Bank from the past 3 days, or we can say in this week. We have seen that there is some flat trading has happened on Monday, but last two trading session, especially on Tuesday and Wednesday, has been not so great, but it was flat, and the index has actually closed on positive note. So in this also there is a resistance of around 34,700 to 34,800, where index is facing the resistance. Once this resistance is surpassed, then we can expect some bounce back in this space as well. And so far as support is concerned in this, then 34,000 is acting as a support for this. So this is all for the pre-bell, and please stay tuned with TraderSmith India. Thank you so much.